Hi, Crystal here from Space to Love, and I'm working on this kitchen today. And we're doing the drawers. So we actually just cleared out the junk drawer. You might have a junk drawer in your kitchen as well. Also talk about prime real estate, like what should be in what drawers and where and why. So maybe this will help you out. Okay, so this is the drawer that I was telling you about that I just cleared out. This was the actual junk drawer, and everything that they want to keep in the kitchen is right here. Everything else that didn't belong, that was somewhere else, we relocated or was trash, donate, or recycle. Now, this is what we call prime real estate. This would be perfect to have your cooking utensils and your serving utensils right here by the stove. But they have their cooking utensils all the way over here. And it's kind of crammed and it's so far away from the stove. So that's our next project. We're gonna declutter that. We're gonna sort, we're gonna see what they need and use. Everything else will go, as well as all of these items here. I think these two drawers would fit perfect in this one drawer here and right where they use it. Then these items we will relocate to this last drawer over here because they hardly use that stuff and it's the furthest from the stove, which makes sense. Okay, so we just finished decluttering, putting everything back, changing the drawers around. I think for them, it's gonna be a lot more fun to make dinner. They'll be able to find things when they're looking for it. It'll be right where they need it, when they're using it. So yeah, just being more efficient and having more fun in the kitchen. So I hope that is what I provided for them today, and I'm just gonna show you the results. Okay, so here's the drawer I was telling you about, which used to be the junk drawer, and now using the prime real estate, we have everything that they need when they're gonna be cooking, which is great, and serving. And then over here, where they used to have the utensils, is now the quote unquote junk drawer, but we don't like to say junk drawer, but basically more of their bar stuff and then some things that they might need in the kitchen. And then this is the prep drawer, so anything they need to prep, and then they have counter space here, their cutting boards, or they could use that counter space there, but everything's right where they need it, where they're gonna use it. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you wanna see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Till next time.